Hey there, Justin. Aiden. My big brother, what are you doing here? I thought I'd come visit you in Kentucky. It's been a while since I saw you. How's the restoration going? It's doing good. Usually takes time, but I'll be back up and running again soon, brother. Remember the old days when we worked together on the Louisville and Nashville? We had a great time back then. Yeah. Well, I know that me and you are the only survivors of the K2As, but I'm glad that we're lucky. Both of us are. Yeah, indeed. We were both built in 1905, though. And even today, we're still the flagship locomotives of Kentucky. And I'm happy that we are the locomotives of the state of Kentucky. Indeed we are, brother. I'm gonna go take a look around this place and see what it is like. I mean, the Railway Museum took great care of you when you were here. Indeed, brother. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna like seeing another K2A locomotive here. I'll see you later, bro. I hope you enjoy your restoration. Thanks, Aiden.